Hello! So I have a bit of a problem. The SD card on the 600 is all these extra demos and games and things. So I want to copy them to Windows. The version of Windows, my legal copy of version of Windows, cannot be activated. So luckily somebody's uploaded a version on archive.org that doesn't run out after 30 days. So my point is that I legally own it, so therefore I must be able to use it, having paid, the hell was it, $600 or this is the upgrade. I think it was like $299 or something. Anyway, so so the Amiga Forever DVD is from 2012, is junked. It's waterlogged, and I know I've got, C64 2016 and Amiga Forever 2016, so I didn't want to put these on. I want to go back to the old user interface, which I love. Funny enough, because we're going to be using the Windows XP machine to play Amiga games, and there's a perfectly good A600 sitting right there, so yeah, and lots of Chuck Missler to go through. Right, so this DVD is stuffed, obviously, so luckily I've backed it up. I've backed it up onto a DVD, which is 8.5 gig, so my DVD CD-ROM thing doesn't like it. It works perfectly fine on my main computer. So I've plugged in my external hard drive with the version of that on it, and we've got 5 minutes to go. It's taken about an hour for Windows XP to copy from an external drive. It does say you can plug this somewhere else and it'll go faster, but it's only got two workable, my fault, 2 workable USB ports, because I unplugged a lead which turned out to be 2 more USB ports, and I have no idea what to do to wire it up. There's like 6 little tiny leads. So anyhow, so 5 minutes to go, let's get on with it. What I've done is I have formatted the hard drive, 320 gig hard drive. It took an hour and a half last night. I've installed the archive.org Windows XP on here, and as soon as Amiga Forever is copied over, I'm going to try and figure out how to copy files from the 600 to the PC. Bloody hell, it's booting from the CD. It's taken an hour to relearn how to burn a CD. I've bought Power ISO for $43 New Zealand. So I guess it makes up for all the borrowed copies I've used over the years. I was going to use that to boot the CD and then stick the other CD in, but I just followed the simple instructions with Power ISO, burnt the ISO straight to a CD-ROM, and away she goes. And this tripod is all out of whack. It doesn't matter, what is it? It's my old, it's my 320 gig. Well, format. I have deleted 50 gig of each of my external hard drives for all my new videos. I feel that most of them are on YouTube anyway, so I don't need the backup copies unless YouTube crashes. But it doesn't matter because I'm remaking them. All the old videos are being remade with better graphics, better sound, and better everything. And we're on 0%. Wow. Okay, so this is a very slow computer. Oh my gosh. We're looking at a speed run to install Amiga forever. Where the hell have all the DVDs gone? that's yeah. Where's the battery? Well, that's good because it's running slow, as slow as an Amiga. Allows you to share content from a post menu. What? Share content and post menu updates. Well, this isn't online, so obviously not. So how did I Windows 3.1 back then? Alright, so the only thing I need to do is Amiga Explorer. Null modem serial cable. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, so all the stuff I've been buying from Wish will come into use. There's an RS-232 cable. I'm not sure if the PC has a bigger plug. I suspect it does. Here's a oh no, that's a SATA to USB drive. This is the Arduino kit, which is on hold because it's going to cost heaps to buy the batteries to get it going. Another SATA, yeah, SATA drive. What's this? Looks like USB to, oh, USB to serial. So then I can just plug that into Windows. Will the Windows XP allow me to do that? So that's the first question. And I got all of these parallel, I think they're parallel to, I don't know, 2 males and 1 female. I bought the wrong things, none of them work. Where's the real thing gone? I have got an actual one that's black that does I do have an actual one that's black, and that goes into the RGB on an A500, and that goes to this monitor, but it says that it doesn't sync up or a refresh rate or blah blah blah. So thinking of buying a speaker system and a TV for this room if I'm going to be gaming in this room.